inside. So I'm adding Worcester sauce, paprika. This is gonna make our chicken looks nice and beautiful. That's 6 gun. You can go on with chicken spice if you don't have 6 gun, and that is coriander spice, salt, sweet chili. I used about 2 tablespoons, and mayonnaise. I also used 2 tablespoons. Let's go in with our herbs, thyme and parsley, and then I'm going to use 1 lemon juice. So the other half of the lemon is going to go inside the chicken, so it's going to be our stuffing. That's why I'm not using it here. Remember to season your chicken well inside and outside before adding in your marinade. This marinade smells so beautiful. Let's marinate inside the chicken, under the skin, at the back, everywhere basically. It smells really, really beautiful. So fresh. I'm just wrapping this with a clean wrap. I'm gonna store it in the fridge and keep it for a few hours there. The key thing to a fluffy rice is to ensure that you rinse it very well before cooking. Make sure that the water is clear by the time you feel like it's done. So I'm going to be cooking things simultaneously today. I'm going to be making rice, savory potatoes, tomato relish, and other things. So let's do that. Alright, time to start with our chicken. We're going to place it in an oven dish. Place your chicken and then all those juices go in as well. Looking lovely, eh? It's looking really, really good. So I'm just gonna add a bit of 6 gun on top just for extra flavor. And a touch of olive oil so that our chicken doesn't burn. It's going into 180 degrees for first hour, and then it's going to go in later on again for another 30 minutes. Done and dusted with our sweet corn. Just gonna set it aside now. Later on we'll drizzle some juices from the chicken. So now we are going to peel our carrots because we're going to add these to our chicken. I don't want to add them earlier because then they'll be soggy. I like adding them halfway through so that they are nice and crunchy. It smells amazing. It smells so beautiful. Oh my god, I wish you were here. It's been about 45 minutes, so we're adding our carrots and then we're going to place this back in the oven. So let's drizzle some lemon for some tanginess. Sweet chili for some sweetness on the carrots. These are gonna be so yum. Let's put this baby back in the oven for another 45 minutes. Let's make tomato relish, gravy or sorbet, whatever you call it. So I'm going to cut this in half and then grate them. So I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I've added onion, bell peppers. Then I'm likely going to saute them for about 2 minutes or so. I'm going in with my fave, the laksa paste. I'm just adding that. It has lemongrass, it has onion, it has garlic. It just smells so amazing. Then I'm adding 6 gram coriander, now going to add 1 chicken stock pot. Mix everything and then add a bit of more water and allow it to cook for a few minutes. I just wanna baste our chicken a little bit. That's why I took it out of the oven. It is looking amazing. This is not burnt marks, it's char, guys, so don't worry. Do not just cut your chicken thinking it is burnt. Now we are starting with our potato salad. I'm adding bacon mixed with olive oil, then I'm adding our bell peppers and onion. Just gonna saute this until they are nice and soft. Then I'm going in with the potato spice, Cajun spice, back to our gravy. I'm going to mix in cream of tomato with water, mix that through, and then add it to our relish so that it thickens up a little bit. This creamy soup adds a very lovely creamy taste to the soup, which I really like. Let's add water for the last time to loosen the sauce. Now to add more flavor, I'm adding tomato sauce or ketchup, sweet chili, and then let's mix everything. I'm also adding a teaspoon of 6 gun. If you don't have 6 gun, you can use any spice that you love that is similar to like chicken spice. Just adding more potato spice to our potatoes, and then I've added some thyme herbs. Our potatoes are coming in nicely. It tastes really good. Let's set it aside. Guys, let me know if you taste your food while you're cooking or you just taste with your eyes. I've recently learned that I have to taste my food as I go, and I just love that concept because you can adjust the food to however you want the food to be. So I was tasting my potatoes and they were perfect. So now I'm adding capers, and then I'm going to add these red pickled onions. This is where I bought them. You can buy them in most stores, I think. They added a very lovely texture to this. You are most welcome to add mayonnaise if you want that extra creamy texture to your potatoes. I just wanted to have them clean like this. So now I'm just basting my chicken for the last time, but I'm not going to put it back in the Bye.